Let's now see how we can install Power BI Desktop on our local machine. To do this, we can just go to powerbi.microsoft.com and then under Products, we find Power BI Desktop. We're going to select this and then we have two options. The first one is just clicking on Download Free. This will open up the Microsoft Store, and like this, Power BI will be installed via the Microsoft Store. I'm not going to choose this option because this is an option that is unfortunately not available for all of the Windows systems. And there's another difference, and that is that Power BI, when we install it through the Microsoft Store, will automatically be updated, which is of course not necessarily a bad thing, but since I want to have a bit more flexibility, I'm just going to manually install it. Therefore, I'm going to select See Download or Language options. And then I can select the language. I'm going to leave it at English, and then I can select download. Now I have two installation files that I can download. I will just go with the 64-bit version because I have a 64-bit system. If you don't have, you can also use the upper version. But usually you will also have a 64-bit version, so you can usually also go with the lower option, and then I'm just going to download it. And then after this has been downloaded, I will just navigate to the location where I have downloaded this installation file, and I'm just going to double click on it to start the installation process. And here I'm going to click on Next, and then just go through the installation wizard. I'm going to accept the terms of the license agreement, and also the location, I can leave it as it is. And then I will also just leave the Create Desktop shortcut, so it is a bit more convenient to open Power BI. And then after a little while, this has been installed successfully. I'm going to leave this box checked, so I will immediately launch Power BI Desktop. And then I click on Finish, and after that, Power BI will be launched. And this is how Power BI looks when we are opening it for the first time. This box we can just close, and now in the next lecture we of course want to have a closer look at this interface to just make our first steps in understanding the Power BI interface.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion. Thanks again for being part of our community. See you in the next video.